The Honda Mini Moto family has a new member. Well, actually it's more of a returning member for those of you that have been with us for a while. Meet the 2023 Honda Giorno. Classic European styling that's as easy to ride as it is to own. At first glance, the Giorno has classic scooter looks. Its step-through design and low seat height will make it easy to get on, get off, and get going. Ideal for those of you with lots to do in a busy urban landscape. Now, when it comes to doing all the running around, storage is a huge factor, and one that can sometimes be tricky for scooters. Not the case with the Giorno. Under the seat here, you have 22 liters of storage space, which is perfect for all the stuff you need to pick up along the way. The compartment is lockable and weather resistant. Plus, at this size, and thanks to the way the engineers designed it, it will also fit your helmet. So when you're out on a little day trip and you arrive at your destination, you don't have to carry your helmet around with you. Up here, you also have a convenience hook. This is ideal for hanging a tote, grocery bag, or a purse. Powering the Giorno is a liquid-cooled 49cc engine with programmed fuel injection. It's quiet, economical, and reliable. Just what you'd expect from Honda. Now, when it comes time to actually ride the Giorno, you'll hear a lot of people refer to it as twist and go fun. In fact, I think we've said that a few times. Here's why we say that. The Giorno features a V-matic automatic transmission, so there's no shifting required. No shifter and no clutch. You simply twist this handle here, your throttle, and you're off. The two levers on either side are both brakes, one front, one rear. The Honda Giorno features our combined braking system. So for example, when you activate the rear brake, the system automatically adds front braking, an excellent feature designed to help bring you to a safe, controlled stop, even in sticky situations. So if you're looking for a daily urban commuter, a weekend runabout, or just a little fun on two wheels, the easy-to-own, easy-to-ride Honda Giorno may be the perfect ride for you. Head over to your local Honda Powersports dealer or honda.ca to get started.